C is a programming language that is developed at AT&T Space Laboratories of USA in 1972, and it is designed and written by Dennis Ridge. C programming language similar to English language. In English language, there are some alphabet. Alphabet makes a valid word, and combination of words makes sentence, and sentence makes a paragraph. Similarly, in C language, alphabet, digit, special symbol makes variables constant. Variables constant makes statement or instruction, and set of statement or instruction called a program. C is a high level language. There are two types of language. One is low level language and another is high level language. What is low level language and what is high level language? Low level language are machine friendly language, that is dependent of the computer hardware architecture, that are very difficult to understand by human. It is only understand by machine. It is form of 0 and 1. These are very difficult to execute. Low level language requires an assembler for directly translating the instruction of the machine language. What is the assembler? If we add, then add 2, 3. How computer understand what add 2 and 3? Assembler direct convert add 2, 3 into 0 and 1 from. Then machine understand that thing using assembler. But high level language are programmer friendly language that are manageable by programmer, easy to understand by human, easy to debug and easy to execute. High level language requires a compiler or an interpreter for their translation from high level language to machine code. Then what is compiler and what is interpreter? Compiler translate the whole code from a high level language to machine code before the program run, and an interpreter translate code from high level language to machine code line by line. This is the difference. Compiler is translate the whole code, but interpreter translate the code line by line before the code run. Also, it is considered as the mother language of all the modern programming language, because most of the compilers like JVMs, kernel, etc. are written in C language, and most of the programming language follows C syntax. Also, it is called core language. C is a small language because it's having 32 keywords, and other language like C++, Java, they have more keywords to use. So it is small language. You can easily learn this language because it's having just only 32 keywords, and that is easy to learn. C programming is portable. Why it is portable? Because every C language run on different machine and gives the same output, and it is not dependent on machine, so it is portable. C. Having built-in function and operators. Using this function, you can write down any complex program. Built-in function means this function already defined, used to perform some common operation such as mathematical calculation, string manipulation, memory allocation, input output operation, and more. You can directly use this function and you can write down any complex program. Why we use pointers? If you use pointers, you can directly access the memory or you can directly interact with the memory. The use of pointer also will discuss in pointer chapter. Pointer stores generally address of a variable. So using this pointer you can directly access the memory address of that variable. C programming language support feature of dynamic memory allocation. In dynamic memory allocation, you can free the memory at any time by calling free function. You can call this function at any time and you can free the allocate memory that also we'll discuss in dynamic memory allocation chapter. C is case sensitive, means capital A and small a meaning different, but in English language capital A and small a means same thing, but in C language they are different. Its compilation and execution is faster than other programming language. Please like, share and subscribe this channel and get the new notification to hit the bell icon for the next video.